Hey, Pat, look at all this equipment. I'm gonna drive this one.
Hey, Lee, we're not driving any of this equipment today. But why don't you go ahead and hop up there and check out the driver's seat anyway.
Oh, I'm gonna, but what are we learning about today?
Oh, today we're gonna learn about the major components of an asphalt paver.
Oh, cool.
So today we're gonna learn about the major components of an asphalt paver.
Like the steering wheel?
They all have a steering wheel. I'm talking about the major components of the paver. First off, can you see up here down front?
Yeah, I can see.
So this is the first part. This is the hopper. This is where the asphalt mixture is actually delivered into the paver. And it comes from either a truck, a pickup machine, or a materials transfer vehicle.
Like a delivery bay?
Yeah, I guess it's like a delivery bay, but we call it the hopper. So the next component is these push rollers here. And they actually push the delivery truck forward as the mix is being delivered into the paver.
Okay, cool. What's next?
So what's next is the conveyors, or the slat conveyors, and they push the asphalt mixture from the hopper underneath the tractor and back to the operation at the rear of the paver.
It flows right under where I'm standing?
Absolutely. Okay, so the next component is the tractor. And that's where the engine is housed, it's where the wheels or the tracks to propel everything forward is, and it provides all the power for the machine.
Okay, so the bigger the tractor, the more power.
Well, yeah, I guess. All manufacturers have different sizes, so they can be used that way. So the next thing that we want to talk about is a major fundamental component of an asphalt paver. Can you see down here?
Yeah, I can see.
So this is the toe point.
Oh, the toe point. Pavers have toes.
Not that kind of toe, not that kind of toe. This is the toe point, and it pulls the screed and everything along with the tractor. The toe point actually can move up and down, and it sets the thickness of the pavement. And as long as the automation is set up correctly, it moves up and down and matches the adjacent pavement.
Okay, cool.
So the next component is the toe arm, and it pulls from the toe point back to the screed itself.
Okay, so it attaches everything to all the equipment back here?
Yes, and all that equipment is called the screed. So why don't you come on down here and we can talk about that.
Cool.
So the actual screed itself is a flat metal plate along the bottom, or a screed plate, and it strikes off the asphalt mixture and makes a smooth pavement out behind. Then we have the screed extensions here on the side. At a flip of a switch, they can extend out and pave even wider, typically up to 18 to maybe 20 feet wide. Then we can add bolt-on extensions beyond that and pave as wide as 30 feet.
That is really wide.
Yeah.
How wide is this paver without the extensions?
This one's about 8 feet wide.
How does the mix get pushed out to the extensions?
Oh, really good question. So the augers that are down in here carry the material from where the conveyor drops them, and it pushes it out to the sides all the way out to the extension, and then it can all flow underneath the screeds.
Okay, I think I've got a good understanding of how it all flows. But what is this thing? Whenever I see pavers in action, somebody's always messing with this crank.
No. That's the depth crank, or the depth screw, and it changes the angle of the screed. And honestly, it should be set up early in the job and not messed with much throughout the day.
Okay. Well, I think I'm getting a really good grasp about how this all works. So when are the trucks getting here? I'm ready to drive this thing.
No, not today, Lee.
Okay, what about one of the rollers?
We can talk about those next time.